No sir, I saw this sweet man. My gosh. This is how you eat the apple. When you eat it, like this. You're supposed to eat off everything. These are delicious. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So everything is ripe and So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a video making some apple juice. I mean, I can juice them and I can blend them. Maybe I'll just do both. Juice some in the juicer and blend some. I don't know. But let's see what's going to happen today. But my gosh, look at these. I mean, I've picked a few for my friends already and they've come for it, but this is just so amazing. Look at this. The birds eat what they want to eat, and this is what is left. But yeah, it's apple time. And there's a big bird in the tree with him bag on his back picking apples. How is the experience at the top, Kingsley? Huh?
It's nice to be at the top.
It's nice to be on top? At the top?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get started. So my apples are washed and they're cut up into small pieces, and this is the juicer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it into this, and then the juice is going to flow from here into this container, and then I'm going to pour it into this. You want to come and help me? Come.
Can I eat it?
The first step is to add the apples into the container, and then you're going to like press it down. You're gonna push it down. That's the best way I know to describe it. So you don't add any water to this. This is a natural juice that is flowing through. No water, nothing at all is added. So the apple is pouring. Yay! So even though the juice is blended, this is just the extra part of it. This is like the trash or the leftover part that is left within the section of the juicer. So what I normally do is to just get a strainer and just try to squeeze out more juice as I can from it, because in Jamaica we not let nothing waste. Alright, so you squeeze it out, and then you can just use your hand and squeeze it out more. Just squeeze it till everything leave out right. So alright, so I just blended a piece of ginger, so I'm just straining this and adding it to the mixture just the same, because I'm spicing it up a little bit. But what I noticed with the apple juice is that when you blend it, it tastes a little bit, the juice tastes a little bit different than when you're actually eating the actual fruit. So because Casey don't like it so fresh, although there was no water or anything added to it. I just add like 2 of this big spoon of sugar to it, just to give it a little, you know, a little more flavor and a little bit more sweetness to it. Because you know, kids, you know, they love sweet things, but trust me, it was so refreshing with the ginger in it and with the 2 spoons of sugar. Refreshing. You need to try this.
This is apple juice.
What?
Apple juice comes from this. Apple juice.
What?
Apple juice, like apple juice.
You love apple juice?
Yeah.
Alright, you soon get it. You soon get some. Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, I want to drink it now.
Okay. What else does apple juice do for you?
Squeeze. Make it strong.
Make it strong?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, have it. You can go ahead. So now I'm going to make juice number 2, my smoothie. And I'm just going to pick some of this silver orange just to add to it. So I got 3. So a little history on the Otaheite apple is that it is scientifically known as I don't even know this word, Syzygium malacense, and this is also known as mala apple, mountain apple. Some people call it rose apple. It is a species of a flowering tree that it is native to Malaysia. The Otaheite apple was introduced to Jamaica in 1793, and up till now it is still a treasured fruit in our beautiful island. It is very tasty, it is healthy, and it is rich in vitamin A and C and also minerals. The apple can be eaten raw, or you can blend it, making it into a nice refreshing juice. It is said also that the Otaheite apple helps to improve your vision, it promotes healthy hair, it prevents cataract, it nourishes the skin, and it boosts the immune system. It is also said that the Otaheite apple is used to treat diabetes. So remember now, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple from our backyard. Apple? Yes. Yum. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification